Hey, you beautiful people of the world. So here in the woods today, Werner Boyce State Park here in Florida. We're gonna see what kind of adventure we can get up to today. Let's look in front of us. Let's go. So life is like a bunch of choices and paths that you can take. And you have to choose which one. Kind of like this crossroads that I'm at right now. I have 3 paths to take. Which one would you choose? Came across a eagle bench with an eagle nest. This is cool. Nice. Ooh. Bird was loud. Hello, bird. And they're like simulating like some eagle eggs, like an eagle nest. Look, there's like even like bones and stuff in there. Oh my gosh. That's really cool. It's like I'm a big eagle offspray as well in the nest. Sweet. Look at this bench. Such a cool bench. Freedom. So it's a beautiful day out, but really hot. Kind of windy, but it feels nice. You know, it's messing with my hair. Who cares though? Wanted the sun on my hair today. And I was just coming up on the trail, and it's a beautiful area out here, and even some people were playing with the rocks from what it looks like, which is pretty freaking awesome, honestly, I think. But look at this. Yeah, so they just like took out some of the rocks, and usually these rocks are not like that, and they just like put them all there. I'm like, okay, looks kind of cool. All in this area. It's really nice. Such a beautiful day. I don't know about all of you, but you know, I find this stuff really cool. You know, over here what I'm looking at. But yeah, it's really dope. Let me know what you think. First, like look at the perfect shadows right now with the sunlight. Ooh, that's so nice. Then look at all these roots. Like, wow. All these crazy root systems all going down through here to these trees. Here's one, like this palm tree is literally hanging off the edge, and then this pine tree as well next to it, practically hanging off the edge. That's their root system right there. And then look at this view. Freaking amazing. Life is amazing. Slowing down, taking a break. Ooh, a fish just actually jumped out of the water. But I'm on this nice bench right now. And here's what I'm looking at. Love the reflection of the clouds in the water right now. And the trees. It's really nice. Let's take a look at this. Palm tree. This is actually a palm tree right here. And then all these mushrooms growing down below it, which is awesome. And then it leads into this area. Hold on. I think there's a crab. Oh my god, look, there's a crab. You can see the big crab right there in the middle. Oh, there's a bunch of little ones even. I just see him going to the holes. The big one's just, he's the only one out. He's like, hey, this is my area. I'm gonna protect my people. Look, he's even like putting out his big claw. He's like, yo, don't come near. Don't do it. I'll get you. Literally, look, he is the only one on this beach. Like, and he's like, don't mess. This is my beach, man. I've been here before. I've never seen the high tide this high before, but check this out. Nice, like, cool bench right here for people to sit on. Then you come over here. Let me just show you, like, what's kind of around. Ooh, nice butterfly that just flew by. It's a yellow one. Then you come over here. It's all water right there. Nice little flower. Already a bee on it, actually. And then look at this. I wasn't gonna go in. It looks like there's like too much mangrove saplings that are actually trying to root right there. But look at this. Oh my god, look at this. Hold on. There's a toilet bowl spring over here. Here, just... It's pretty sweet though. It's kind of cool. Let's go take a closer look. So I felt called to make a video about this right now, honestly. Literally, this just came through me as I'm walking here through the woods. Literally, look at this. So we have this big tree, and then there's this river right here. But all their roots, there's a bunch of trees on this bank. There's this one, that one. And I'm sure there's plenty of others, you know? But all their roots are intertwined on this bank. They're all holding each other together. They're all united. They're all in this together. So what we gotta do, we all gotta be in this together. Hey astral beings, if you guys enjoyed the video today, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video down below so you can see more content just like this. I appreciate you and have a beautiful day, alright? Peace.